Your team's goal each month is to get the income statement to be a true reflection of how the hotel performed that month, so that you can evaluate that performance and make quick decisions on how to improve the following months. One of the biggest tools for accomplishing this is with end-of-month accruals. An end-of-month accrual is where you make an accounting entry to record an expense you had for the month when you haven't received the invoice yet or paid for it yet. So for instance, even if you haven't received the franchise bill for the month, you know it's coming. So you don't want to run an income statement that doesn't list that key expense. And there will be other services that the team knows the hotel used during the month that haven't been recorded yet. You want to make sure to record all of those expenses so that you know how the hotel really did. If you have no process in place for making end-of-month accruals, your monthly income statement won't be a true reflection of the hotel's operations that month. Your accountant is going to know the detail of how to make those specific entries, but it's important that the operations team understands the concept so that they can let the accountant know what should be accrued. So the two things you need to implement to set up a process for end-of-month accruals are: one, make sure the managers that are intimately aware of the operations for their departments each month have access to the income statement. They won't be able to tell you what's missing if they can't tell what's already been recorded. Okay, number two, set up a schedule for receiving their feedback. You need to give them a timeline for letting the accountant know what needs to be accrued each month. So in our office, we ask managers to fill out an accrual template for all of their changes at the end of the month. It includes their full chart of accounts so they can easily find the account numbers of items that need to be accrued, and they can send that template to us before prelims are sent out, or they can send those changes to their staff accountant after reviewing the preliminary financials. Managers don't always love implementing this process. They might not want to add more deadlines to their very busy schedule or take the time to just fill out a template. But once they get in the rhythm of it, it's so empowering to have an income statement that's a true reflection of how they did, and they love being trusted with the numbers and having something concrete that they can look at to measure against. It's really hard to make positive changes if you don't ever actually know how you did. So your tip for the week is to make end-of-month accruals for anything that happened during the month that you haven't paid for yet. This will help you use your income statement to evaluate the exact operations of the hotel each month. All right, I hope that was helpful. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for watching this week's video. These videos are designed to help you build your team, make your financial statements even more helpful, and ultimately save you money. If you haven't signed up to receive these videos weekly, please do so below. And if you know someone that this would help, send it their way. All right, thanks.